Hello students, welcome to the channel Science Made Easy with Jyoti. I have been explaining various concept-based and competency-based questions to help you to learn faster. Here is another question for you. What are the characteristics of image formed in the plane mirror? So now let us first understand what are the different surfaces of a plane mirror. A plane mirror has got two surfaces. One is the polished surface and the other is the reflecting surface. Always remember that the object is always kept on the side of reflecting surface and the image is formed behind the mirror towards the polished surface. Now, let us understand few terms related to the image. Now, the distance of object from the mirror is called as object distance and it is denoted by the letter U. In the same way, the distance of the image from the mirror is called image distance and it is denoted by the letter V. Now for plane mirrors, always remember that the object distance U is always equal to the object distance, the image distance V. Okay, so the object distance U is always equal to the image distance V. In the same way, the height of the object is denoted by the letter H and the height of the image is denoted by the letter H dash. Now, for plane mirror, the height of the object is always equal to the height of the image. So, H will be equal to H dash for plane mirrors. Now, the image is virtual, which means it cannot be taken on screen. That means if you place a screen behind the mirror, then you will not see the image on the screen. This means the image is virtual. And whenever the image is virtual, the image is always erect. That is why when you stand in front of the mirror, you always see an upright image. So that image is virtual and erect. Lastly, the image is laterally inverted. Now, what does that mean? If the object raises its right hand, in the image, you would see that it seems as if it is raising its left hand. That means the right side of the object appears to be the left side of the image and the left side of the object appears to be the right side of the image. This is called as lateral inversion. And these are the characteristics of image formed in the plane mirror. For more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Good luck and great learning!